Senec Gulaška, 3rd of August 2026. Some trials with the inflatable board, 140 liters, and the big foil. First with pedal. Ako sa naučiť wing foilovať? Najprv si nafúkneme 140 litrovú dosku, dáme si na ňu obrovský foil 2250. So first task is to use it as a pedal board. Wing 8 Cabrinha Vision. And I'm up.